Hi there everyone, I just wanted to give you a quick update on the course and check in as we're about halfway through the semester now. So just to give you a heads up of what's coming up in the next few days. We're coming towards the end of Module 7. That module will close at midnight on Friday. So if you haven't had a chance to get working on that module yet, very important that you start tonight going into tomorrow to give yourself the best chance of performing at a high standard on that material. Next week, so beginning on, or the next week of the course, so beginning on Saturday, of course, we'll be focusing in this class on the midterms. So we have a whole separate module during week 8 of the course for the midterms that coincides with the midterms that in-class students will be taking here. There are two parts to the midterm. There are two essays. The first one is on the Barkai. And it's more like a paper. You should think of it as like a college paper. And that means you want to get started on it very early in the week, definitely over the weekend, definitely by Monday you want to have started working on that if you're going to do well on that particular part of the midterm. The other part of the midterm, I've given you a number of questions. And you'll have to pick one and write an essay on it. This is much more like an essay you would expect on an in-person college test. It's a simple 7-paragraph essay. What's most important is that you draw from as wide a range of material from the course as possible. So none of these questions will focus on a particular module from the course, but they ask you questions that are designed to encourage you to draw from all the different modules. So I encourage you to keep that in mind. It's effectively an open book test. You have a week to prepare it, so obviously the standard of essay, the standard of paper that you produce and that you submit by Friday, of course you can submit it earlier if you would like to. The standard of paper or essay that you produce should be much higher than on the test that you would take than for an essay for a test that you would take in an in-class course, for example. So I expect that when you have completed these essays, you will have spent a significant amount of time on them because you have a whole week to write them. You have access to all your notes. The end product should be much more sophisticated. So I just wanted to give you a heads up. For some of you, perhaps this is your first online class. You should approach this midterm week, this week that you have to work on the midterm essays and papers for this class, a little differently than you would if it was an in-person class. And so you want to really use that whole week to produce the best work that you can. Obviously, I want to help you produce that high standard of work. So if there's anything that I can do to help you, if you want me to, talk about ideas with you, you want to talk on the phone about some of your ideas, if you want me to look at drafts of some of the work that you're developing, I'm very, very happy to do that. I encourage you to do that if you have time. Certainly have someone else look at your work. That always helps. Certainly ask me to look at your work. I can help you probably more than anyone else can. So I encourage you to reach out to me if I can help you at all. Just finally, in conclusion, I've really enjoyed the class so far. I've really enjoyed our discussions. A lot of you are doing really fantastic work, really asking great questions of the sources. So I applaud you for doing that. I thank you for making this class so enjoyable for me to teach so far. And I encourage you to keep up the good work. I know that as we end week 6, we're into the 7th week. For an online class, this can be a point where it seems as though you're kind of stuck in the middle of this course, and it can feel as though you're not really making a whole lot of progress. But I encourage you to remember that you really are, to drive through the next 2 or 3 weeks or so, even when it gets difficult, and recognize that at this point, If you can make it through the next couple of weeks, if you can keep turning your work in, if you can establish a pattern of turning your work in ahead of time, you'll be in great shape. And so many of you are in great shape. There are a number of you that still need to develop that routine of getting your work done, of checking your work, of kind of going the extra mile to do the best that you possibly can. But those who are doing that, you're doing just fine. So I want to encourage you that the work that you're turning in is of a standard to excel in this class. And so to encourage you to keep up that work. Okay, that's all I've got. Again, as I say, if I can help you in any way, please don't hesitate to let me know. I look forward to our continued discussions. I look forward to the second half of the semester. Thank you.